Hello, yes, a very good morning to all. I'm Neeraj Kumar, and I welcome to all in this channel that is Great Radio Students. कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? और ये हमारी नेक्स्ट सीरीज है दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री और हम इसमें सॉल्व कर रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? आई थिंक लास्ट 2 लेक्चर्स में हमने डिस्कस किया था कंपोनेंट एंड डिमांड डॉट मैथड, उस पर बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी सॉल्व की थी. नेक्स्ट हमारा आएगा, आज हम भी ना प्रूव करेंगे सब इम्पॉर्टेंट आइडेंटिटीज. क्या प्रूव करेंगे? इम्पॉर्टेंट आइडेंटिटीज. सो आई थिंक am I audible to all? Yes. So now take care. We take care first. Let me write all the identities which I am going to prove them. Right? So first I have to prove that here sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into cot c minus t. ये प्रूव करना है फर्स्ट वन. नाउ टेक सेकंड वन. In the second case we have here sin x minus sin y is equal to, we can write here 2 cot x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y प्रूव करना है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास थर्ड आइडेंटिटी प्रूव करनी है cot x प्लस cot y. cot x प्लस cot y इज इक्वल टू प्रूव करना है 2 cot x प्लस y upon 2 into cot x minus y upon 2. This is the third one. No, fourth one is what? Fourth one. That is what? Cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into sin y minus x upon 2. ये आपको देखना है यहाँ क्या है, y माइनस एक्स अपॉन 2 है. ये देखिए, इतना आपको प्रूव करना है. ये देखो, इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है. इसका एप्लीकेशन ये है आपके पास, यहाँ लिखा है सम, सन. यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? मल्टीप्लाई आ रहा है. क्या आ रहा है? मल्टीप्लाई. तो जब भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो को सम होगा, राइट, उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में करना होगा, तो हम इन फॉर्मूला का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, एप्लीकेशन पार्ट में समझना है हमारा. सो पहला हम लेते हैं सॉल्व करने के लिए, पहला हमारे पास है sin x प्लस sin y. क्या है? sin x प्लस sin y इक्वल टू 2 sin x प्लस y अपॉन 2 इंटू cos x माइनस y. ये हमारे पास है. चलिए सॉल्व. इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले लेट करते हैं. यहाँ लेट करना है x इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b एंड y इज इक्वल टू a माइनस b. ऐसा करने से हमारे पास सारी आइडेंटिटीज प्रूव हो जाए. चलिए करते हैं. सो x प्लस वाई बराबर कितना होगा बेटा? हमें चाहिए टू, तो यहाँ पे लिखा है x प्लस वाई बराबर होगा ए प्लस बी प्लस वाई की वैल्यू पुट करो, दैट इज ए माइनस बी. बी माइनस एंड बी प्लस विल कैंसिल्ड. वी हैव 2a. राइट. देन ए इज इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, x plus y upon 2. Similarly, also we need here x minus y. So put the value of x, that is a plus b, minus you can put value of y, that is a minus b. So you can simplify. According to that, we have a plus b minus a and plus b. Now you can see here minus a plus will cancel each other. We have 2b. So finally we have x minus y is equal to 2b. So find the value of b. B is equal to, we have x minus y upon 2. Now here we have found out the value of a and b in terms of x and y. Now see here we have to prove this one, right? So first take LHS. क्या लेंगे हम यहाँ? LHS लेंगे. LHS. अब LHS में क्या है हमारे पास? साइन x प्लस साइन y. क्या हमारे पास? साइन x प्लस साइन y. ना साइन और x की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास? a प्लस b प्लस द वैल्यू ऑफ y, दैट इज कितना है? a माइनस b की वैल्यू. अब ओपन कर दो. साइन a प्लस b क्या होगा? साइन a cos b plus cos A into sin A. This is the value of sin A plus B. Similarly, you have to put the value of sin minus B. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. ये फार्मूले आपको याद ही होने चाहिए. मैंने सारे फार्मूले प्रूव भी किए हैं और आपको याद भी कराया. ठीक है. Now simplifying, you can say what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now you can see these two terms will cancel out. So we देखो ये quantity and ये quantity both are same, so it becomes 2 times sin A into sin B. But we need the expression in x and y, right? So you can just here we have a is equal to x plus y upon 2 and b is equal to x minus y upon 2. Now you can check here from the previous slide. These are the values we have of a and b. You can check. So now we are going to put the value here. So we have 2 times sine the value of a, that is x plus y upon 2. Now put the value of b, that is x minus y upon 2. Sorry, there is a mistake. What I have to do here? This h, right? 2 sine a cos b. Cos b. So this is cos b, that is x minus. I think this is the formula. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. Very simple. You can match. Yes. Now you can see this is. So we have taken here cos x minus b. We are writing as c. X minus b. Proved. Now go to second one. We have sine right? Sin x minus y. Sin x minus sin y. Now go to the second one. We have sin x minus sin y. That is 2 times cos x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y on 2, right? Now, already we have taken here what? Let's go. Take here LHS. Take here LHS. LHS is what? We have sin x minus sin y. Should put the value of x. Right? Now, x is equal to what we have? A plus b minus sin and y is equal to a minus b. Now just do that. Open it. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Right? This is the value of sin a plus b minus. Now put the value of sin a minus b. That is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now you can simplify here. That is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b minus sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Now you can cancel this is what? Minus sin a cos b and this is sin a cos b. Plus and minus. Cancel. What we have? We have 2 cos a sin b. Now a is equal to what we have? X plus y upon 2 and b is equal to x minus y upon 2. So now put the value of a and b. So you can write here 2 cos is x plus y upon 2. The value of b, that is x minus y upon 2. Now you can check here. This is our RHS. This is what? RHS. So we have proved there 2 identities. Now move to the third one. Third identity I'm going to prove here. That is what we have? We have cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 times cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Okay. So now you have to put here. Take first LHS, left hand side. And the LHS we have cos x plus cos y. And we have assumed here x is equal to a plus b. Cos x is equal to what we have? A plus b plus and cos y is equal to we have a minus b. So now use the relation of here cos x plus y and cos x minus y. So cos x plus y, you can write cos x plus y. So we have cos a cos b minus sin a into sin b. This is v, right? Plus cos a minus b means cos a cos b. This is minus, that is plus. यहाँ minus that is plus sine A into sine B. This is the result we have. Now you can write here cos A cos B minus sine A into sine B plus cos E into cos B plus you can write sine A into sine B. So here now you can write minus sine A sine B plus sine B cancelled out. Now this quantity and this quantity both are same, so you can write 2 times cos E into cos B. Now as we all know from the previous slides, we have A is equal to x plus y upon 2 and B is equal to x minus y upon 2. So you can put the value of here 2 times cos A, that is x plus y upon 2 into cos, that is x minus y upon 2. Now this is what? This is RHS. This is nothing but this is RHS. So you can mention here this is RHS means right hand side. So we have proved here 3 identities. Now the last one. That is fourth. Okay. In case of fourth, we have cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 times sine x plus y upon 2 into sine what we have y minus x. This is what you have to remember here. This is what you have to remember, right? And there is a rare case. That's why I'm going to have proof each and every identity so that you can remember the formula very well. Also, we will doing after this class or during the class the application of this identity. So take here LHS, that is what? Left hand side. So you can write here cos x minus cos y. So now put the value of here x, that is x is equal to what? A plus b minus cos, put the value of y, that is a minus. Okay. Now use the identity of cos x plus y and also you have to use the identity of cos x minus y. So according to cos x plus y, this cos a plus b gives what? This is giving you cos a cos b minus sin a into sin b. Okay, just closing the square bracket. Now write here cos a minus b. So you have to use the formula of cos x minus y. So this is giving you cos a cos b plus sin a into sin b. Sin into sin. Okay. Also just to simplify here, we have cos a cos b, right, minus sin a into sin b minus cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So now you can see minus cos a cos b this and plus cos a cos b this cancelled out, and now this quantity and this quantity are same, so you can write minus 2 times sin a into sin b. Okay, now put the value of a and b. Here a is equal to, we have x plus y upon 2 and t is equal to, we have x minus y upon 2. So this minus 2, now put the value of sine a, sorry a, so this is, we have x plus y upon 2 into sine, put the value of p, that is x minus y 2, right? So now this we can take here minus common. In this case we have to prove y minus x. So you can write minus this sine x plus y upon 2. Take minus common in. You can write here sine y minus x. Now this minus and this minus, that is plus. This becomes plus. So finally you have 2 sine x plus y upon 2 into sine y minus x. Hence fruit. Hence क्या हो गया? Fruit. These are the 4 identities we have proved here. In this lesson, these are very important identities we'll be using next in the next classes. Right? Also now see, we'll solve a few problems so that you can understand the application of the identities very well. So write down second problem here. Yes, you have to prove that you have to prove that sin x, right, plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x is equal to, you have to prove here tan 2x, tan 2x. Okay, so take LHS. In the LHS we have what? Sin x plus sin 3x upon, we have cos x plus cos 3x. Now here I am going to put here formula for sin x plus sin y. Usually in this case we are going to open this, yes. On this is proof, you have to use here cos x plus cos y. Okay. Here y is equal to what? 3x, and x is equal to that x. Now according to this one, we have what? We have 2 times sine x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Now according to this, we have 2 times cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. This is what, now we have to put all these values. So according to it, we have 2 times sine x plus y is x plus y is 3x upon 2 into cos what? X minus y, x minus 3x upon 2. No. So upon 2. Cos is by 2 cos x plus y means x y is 3x upon 2 into cos of x minus y, x minus 3x upon 2. This is what? So it 2 and 2 will cancel. Right? Now. So this is what? This is giving you sine 3x plus 3x, that is 4x upon 2 into cos minus 2x upon 2 1 जा 2, 2 cancel, 2 1 जा 2, 2 cancel, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So we have what? We have here sine 2x, sine 2x into cos of minus x upon cos 2x cos of minus x, this one. So here same cancelled, and this is what? This is tan 2x, आपको पता होगा tan x equal to sin x upon cos x. Hence this is what? RHS. This is RHS. Right? So there I told you here one application means one problem based on this article. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day and God bless you all.